people of Zimbabwe, with the aid of the British, and removed Mugabe from the throne. That led Mugabe to his grave. And we were all hoping that things will be different. We were all hoping that the mandate that he claimed Mugabe was not executing, he was going to execute. But Mnangagwa became worse than Mugabe. He became 10 times worse than Mugabe. Hence we are here today. He eroded every single human right for a Zimbabwean. And as NUMSA, as SAFTU, as Socialist Revolutionary Workers' Party, we cannot fold our arms and pretend as if nothing is happening to the people of Zimbabwe.